So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert shapes in Google Slides here on the Google Slides mobile application. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, go into your presentation. It's super duper simple. Go to the top and press on this plus icon or this plus symbol. So it's about three options over from the right. Press on the plus icon right here. Scroll down to where it says shape, and then press on where it says shape. Now you can either press on shapes, arrows, callouts, equations, you name it. But since we want to add shapes to our presentation, we're going to go ahead and press on the shapes tab right here. You can press a whole bunch of different options, right? So if you wanted to add perhaps the number 10 in more of like a 10-sided, or maybe you wanted to add an octagon, whatever the case is, we can go ahead and add an octagon. There you go. We have now added the octagon. Now if you want to change the color, press on the octagon right here. Also press on the icon. At this bottom, there's a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and press on the color icon and then change this color to red if you want. So you can go ahead and change it to red and then just fill it there. That didn't actually work for whatever reason, so you can go ahead and press on gradients. You can change it to a gradient color. Whatever it is, you can basically pick that way. So once that is done, there you go. You've now added a shape to your presentation. So that is how to insert shapes in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.